In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a receipt in Xero and send it to your customer. Managing your finances efficiently is crucial for any business, and knowing how to properly generate and send receipts can help streamline your accounting processes and improve your customer service. So, let's delve into this step-by-step guide for issuing receipts in Xero. To begin, you'll want to log into your Xero account and look towards the top of your screen. You'll see a menu bar where we can manage different aspects of our financial operations. Click on the Sales tab located in this top bar. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear, offering you different options to choose from. From this menu, you will need to select Invoices. This will be your gateway to managing both paid and unpaid invoices, and it will present you with a comprehensive list of all your recent invoices. From this list, find the specific invoice for which you intend to create a receipt. It's important to select one that has already been marked as paid, since we can only generate receipts for settled invoices. Once you've located it, click on the invoice to open its detailed view. Here, you will find all the pertinent information regarding this particular transaction. The next step involves navigating to the payment details of the invoice. In most cases, you'll notice that the invoice has a linked payment indicated by a hyperlink under the payment section. Click on this hyperlink and it will direct you to a new page where you can view the payment details for the transaction. Once you're in the payment details section, direct your attention to the options available within this view. There, you will find a button labeled Options. Click on it to reveal a small menu of additional actions you can perform. From this menu, you will need to select Send Receipt. This is the function that allows us to generate and email the receipt directly to the customer. Now we need to make sure it's being sent to the correct person. In this step, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's email address. Be sure to double-check the email to ensure accuracy. Sending a receipt to the wrong address can lead to unnecessary confusion. Next, you'll have the opportunity to customize the email message that your customer will receive. This is a good moment to add a personal touch or include any important details that your customer might need regarding the transaction. Finally, after you have reviewed all the information for accuracy and made any necessary adjustments to the message, go ahead and click Send. This final action will ensure that your customer receives the receipt directly in their inbox. And there you go. With just a few clicks, you've successfully created and sent a receipt using Xero. This straightforward process not only helps keep your records up to date, but also enhances your customer service by providing quick and efficient receipts. That's all for our tutorial today. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide simplifies your accounting processes in Xero.